Starting this vlog on a gorgeous walk. It is so nice out right now. It's like a high of 70, but I had to get a long walk in today. And then who knows what else I'm gonna do. It's just a great day to do whatever, I suppose. But the one by the
when you feel told American Family Insurance.
Okay, I just had a large breakfast, so of course I have to do a try on now. I never think that through, but as you guys saw, I got a big, well, I shouldn't say big, but Outcast clothing sent me a few items, so I'm gonna try them on. Alani New also sent me a t-shirt that says stop being tired because their new energy drink flavor just came out today, I wanna say. It's pink slush. This is also their pre-workout, and to me it gives off like bubblegum. Bubblegum, like lemonade, like just pink, like a pink lemonade type thing, which I like a lot. All their flavors like are pretty decent anyway. Like there's nothing I absolutely hate, but this one is very good as well. So this is where the new top is from. I'm gonna show you guys my Outcast clothing items. I already tried on the jeans and the jean top this morning because I could not wait, because I'm like, oh my god, what if I could wear this for like my birthday outfit? So we'll see how that goes, but I'll show you guys the other two sets as well. All right, first outfit, it's this little denim two-piece set. It's the Parker top and then the Parker pant. This is the one I was like, oh my god, I could wear this for my birthday. Outcast clothing has sent me so many cute items. Like it's hard to pick. I have some amazing jumpsuits. I have some amazing sets. So it's gonna be tough for me to pick. I don't even know what I'm doing for my birthday. It's probably gonna be something very chill anyway. So this fits great. I got the bottoms in an XL and then the top in a large. I think that was the perfect size choice for me. The pants are even just a little bit baggy. And then I did add this little extra button because the normal button is right here. And I wanted them just a little bit more cinched at the waist, and it turned out perfect. They have this little like hole details on the side that go all the way to the top and bottom of the pant. Going down the leg is kind of like this asphalt like tiger print detail. That's the best way I could describe it, just kind of like stripes along the side. And then again, the back, very flattering. I did not tie this yet because I'm like, oh, I don't need to tie it, it's fine, it fits fine. But it does have a little zipper on the side as well. Oops. And then it has the zippers here too, but I think they could, yeah, they could zip up all the way if you really wanted them to, but I don't think that would work for me. Then it's also like a corset style here, but this one doesn't like move. You can't adjust this one, it's just kind of there. But it's not tight or anything. And again, this is like a halter neck, so it just ties in the back. I like it a lot. It's giving like that 2008 Britney outfit, just all denim. I feel like I never see anybody wear denim on denim, but I like it, especially when it's an outfit like this. Like it goes so well together. And the plus side, I like to get an XL in the pants because they're actually long enough and they go all the way to the ground, which is amazing. I feel like some of these like higher quality brands struggle with length, and I appreciate it as a tall girl that these are actually long enough. Okay, let's go on to the next outfit. All right, here was the second set. Let me look at the name here. This is the posh top and then the posh pant. It says in black, so maybe there's some other colors as well. This is very flattering. Obviously, so very flattering. I love the buckle details and I love a good set. I love when things just match so perfectly. This is the first time, however, that one of their items, like genuinely, one of their like pants or tops have not fit me like to a T. The rest of it fits me, but there's just this little piece right here that kind of connects to the both of them, and it's just kind of like, it's just too big. It essentially is a little bit too big, and then so I don't know, and it's usually kind of crazy because everything always fits me like perfectly. So I'm thinking I could perhaps like put a pin right here to cinch it a little bit more, and that would definitely make this piece tighter. So that's all I would really need, but I don't want these to go to waste, so I definitely need to use that pin. It is also zipped up in the back, and these are also, again, full length, you guys. I love it. I just think the tiny details they put into everything is just so nice. Again, like I said, I love these cutouts. These have been trendy for a while. So same thing with the other set. I got this in a large and the bottoms in an extra large. Fit amazing, except for this tiny little piece right here. So there's definitely something I can do to fix that. The thing I do love about sets as well is that you can always like pair them separately with something. Like you're kind of getting like a 2-for-1. You're getting a simple outfit that you already know looks good together, and then you get like the piece each on their own, and you can just literally pair it with anything that you want. Just like this a lot. It's very flattering, like always. I have one more set to show you guys, and it's definitely like not your typical set you would see me in, but it is just like a baby tee and then little tiny like white spandex, white shorts. Micro shorts are in lately, and I am not a shorts person to begin with, so hopefully it goes well. Okay, lastly, we have the Christina Booty Shorts Man-Eater Baby Tee. Okay, so right off the bat, I need to admit that I don't know why, but whenever I purchase a baby tee, I always expect like Shein quality, like extremely thin fabric. This is the exact opposite. So it's like that spandex nylon fabric, very slinky, and then it is double lined as well. They did an amazing job for the top and shorts. These are also double lined. I'm wearing a darker pair of underwear and you cannot see through them at all, which is amazing. That's what you want. Like I said before though, I'm just not really like a shorts person. If you guys remember a few years ago, like 2 winters ago I should say, I got really bad eczema and folliculitis on my legs, and I still have scars and like dark spots all over from that. So I'm still kind of self-conscious about that. I don't really wear shorts all that often anymore, unfortunately. Chip. But with that being said, I still think these are very flattering. And then on the butt, they have Outcast. So again, that's like this whole, there's a new like beaded craze going on right now. So this butterfly on here is also beaded. This is just like a little print on. I'll show you guys up close here. And then there is just a little OC right here, bedazzled again, just on the shorts. Again, Outcast right here. I think they're flattering. Quality is definitely there. These are some really nice shorts. I like them a lot. Will I ever wear them, the shorts, out? No, probably not. I'll probably just wear them around the house, unfortunately, but I'll definitely be wearing the top out. It's very cute, and I love the fabric. I am obsessed with like this spandex nylon fabric. It is my favorite. Okay, I just got back from helping Brian out today, and I got 2 packages. I'm really excited. You guys can't tell I'm a little like sick or something's going on. I have no idea. This one is from Smashbox. Actual makeup. I'm so excited. Oh, this came out of the package. The Superfan Mascara Self-Sharpening Liner. What? Always Sharp Waterproof Liner. Oh my god, the OG, the Photo Finish Primer. I remember watching so many YouTube videos. Everybody would live by this. And then the Smashbox Halo Sheer to Stay Color Tint. I'm so excited. Thank you, Smashbox. And then this next package says it's from L'Oreal. I don't remember like being in contact with them, and I'm using a brush. Oh my god. Oh my god! I am speechless right now. The Prada Paradox perfume. Oh my god.